Welcome to Excel. We've entered our data into our spreadsheet, we've formatted nicely, and we've added in charts and graphs. Now we're going to look at how to print it. There's a couple of ways Excel allows you to print. So the first thing that we look at is the page layout. In the page layout, you can change your orientation from portrait to landscape. You can change your margins. You could go with narrow or normal. You can change your print area or your print titles. But what we can do is we can click on the down arrow and it shows us the whole menu. In the menu, again, we see the page, portrait and landscape. You can adjust it by a percentage, fit it to 1 page wide by 1 page tall. You can adjust your margins, or you can add headers and footers. Usually it's a good idea to add a header or a footer, I find, even if it just has the date on it, or the name of the spreadsheet that we're using. When you've done all that, you can click on Print Preview. It will show you your print options on the left hand side, and it will show you a preview of your page and what it looks like. You can see down the bottom we've got 1 page of 6, so we have a couple of blank pages in there, and we haven't quite got our graphs on the sheet the way we want them. If we go back out of the print, another way we can do the printing and look at it is to click on View, and in the View option there is Page Break Preview. Here it shows you dotted lines where your page breaks are put in by Excel. You can move the dotted lines around and it then changes where the page breaks are. So it looks like this is now 2 pages. We click on File, Print. You see there's 2 pages with the graphs of 1 page and our data in the other. It's also got the header and footer showing on the screen. At this stage it's ready to print, and we can do that by just clicking on Print and selecting our printer.